I'm going to show you how to earn some cash back and do some saving using the platform called shop.com. Now, before we get started, we want to make sure that we give credit to the person that sent you the website. So for example, my business entity is called TGX Production. Is at the top left that you can see there. Just make sure the person who sent you the link gets credit. Now, shop.com is very easy. It's very simple to apply. All you have to do is click on the sign in. You're able to create a free account, no charge at all. Now, I'm going to show you how we can earn cash back through our partner stores. So, for example, I'm going to type in here Nike. So once we're on the website, we can see all the stores where we can earn some cash back. Now, if you look very closely, look at Nike. There's a 3% cash back that you'll earn, and each store will have that if it's available. Now, to figure out which store is available, go ahead and click on, we have at the very top left, we have brand, health quiz, deals, and stores. I want you to click on stores. Once you're here, you're going to look for an icon right here. It's called, it looks like it says PDF right here. You click on this, it's going to download all the partner stores that we have here. I'm not going to go through all these stores because it's about 22 pages of this. Okay. Now that's how you're able to see all the stores that we have. Now, in order to generate the cash back, I want you to download the extension. Now, for each browser is very different. Just make sure if you're on Chrome, make sure you're signed in because you have to be signed in order to install an extension. Same thing with your Safari or your Microsoft browser. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on this puzzle piece. It says extension on it. Go to manage extension. And over here, it's going to say discover more extension and themes on Chrome Web Store. So click on that. You're going to type up ShopBuddy. Okay, you're going to click on the first one. It should say ShopBuddy USA. You know, shop.com is also tied to other countries. You have Canada, Singapore, Australia, and more. But we're just going to focus on shop.com USA. It's already installed for me, so just make sure you do that. So every time, if I was to go to, one of our partner stores is Macy's. So if I go to Macy's, right, it should activate the cashback. So already you're earning cashback on whatever sales that there is on Macy's.com. And that's how you do that. So instead of shopping on Amazon or going into the store, shop through your website. That way you're able to earn those cash back. Now I'm going to go back here. And once you start generating cash back, it's going to go into a VIP account, which is right here at the very top right. It says VIFT. I have already generated about $97. Now, keep in mind, my lifetime earnings since I started on this website, I've been able to earn about $1,313 using the shop.com website. All right. And you can see recently I just purchased the print right there. I was able to earn $1.10. It may not sound like a lot, but guess what? This starts to accumulate over time, and you can use that cash to either withdraw or use it on the website to shop for whatever goods you want. Well, that's all, folks. That's how you start earning some cash back.